Hi, this is the last video in the series with adding two numbers, and it is in Haskell. In Haskell you have one function called main, whose type is IO unit. This means that it does not compute any value, but it does perform some input-output. I just read two numbers, and now what I want to do is add them. Then I want to convert this to a string. To output it on a line. Now let's test this. Okay, it works. One thing is that the lines have to be on different lines. So if I write 3, 4, it doesn't work, because it reads the whole line and tries to interpret 3 space 4 as one integer. Whereas in some of the previous solutions we did not have this limitation. So another way of doing it is to read the whole contents of the file. Then we split that into words on space, and then we convert those into integers, and we give this a name. Let's say these are the integers, so the input interpret as integers. And then what we want to do is to, well, as before, we write a string which you obtain from two integers, but these ones we're just gonna get the first element of the list access and the second element of the list access. Let's see if this works. Five, 3. At line 5, character 3. Ooh. Maybe in Haskell you don't write this. Oh. And this is called words indeed. Let's try it now. Yes. The function words takes a string and gives you a list of strings. So for example, words of 3, 4, new line 5 is this. One interesting thing to notice about the implementation we have here is what happens if I type here 3, 4, foo. That foo doesn't have any effect. But if you look at this, it says, well, try to interpret all the words as integers. The reason it works is that I never use any of the integers that come after the first two, and because I don't use them, I don't try to use them, they are not computed. This is called laziness, and it's a property that not many programming languages have, and it's quite specific to Haskell. Okay.